Back in the Peerless Archive, I found a few bricks of paint still wrapped in their original craft paper wrapping. I had already opened a few from the back, but I figured it'd be fun to maybe open a few of these for you here live. The camera doesn't do a very good job at showing it, but this is actually more of a dark raspberry color. I can't wait to swatch that out later. This seems like a much lighter pink than the other one that I opened. As you can see next to each other, the difference is pretty evident. I feel like some artistic Indiana Jones uncovering all these artifacts from back in the Peerless Archives.